We are the owners and developers of Ambiente Landscape Hotel in Sedona, Arizona. It's an adults-only property. Right now we are fully operational. It's a very cool spot. It's called a landscape hotel because it respects the environment and it's built into the landscape. So the landscape is your front and center view of everything and not the actual built-out hotel. It's a huge part of the hotel. It's part of the ambiance of the hotel, the feel of the hotel, basically keeps you feeling cooler just being on the property,
Right.
Especially in a hot Sedona summer. And it also helps mitigate road noise from anything on the property, and it's just a beautiful accent property.
It's actually an ancient part of the property because we took the topography of the property and utilized it in its natural state. And by building on piers, we were able to minimize the impact of the soil. We used all of the ancient washes as the trail for all the water feature. And took all the water that created those washes and took it underground in pipes and stuff to run that drain water off. And that way we could use the natural topography to build a natural trail so that when you walk through, you actually feel like this is where it belongs.
It was never super clear. It was never really, really bad, but we could never get it really clear either.
Probably been about 8 months to a year that we've had the actual water in the pond full and running as we've gone through a couple of heat cycles and cold cycles and trying to keep it clean, trying to run some different systems on it stuff and not been real happy with the way things have worked out.
The pond gel product was really what solved your problem?
It was, yeah, the 3D printed holder.
Yeah, the diffuser.
When we got new materials in here, we were absolutely shocked that that would happen that quickly. Fantastic. In a matter of a couple of days, it was very, very noticeable.
It's as clear as it's ever been, and it happened really quick. We put it in like 3 or 4 o'clock, and then the next morning it was crystal clear.
There's a real natural feel for Sedona, and one of the things that we wanted to accomplish was that when people come to Sedona, they want to feel Sedona. It's the red rocks, it's the trees, it's the forest, and that's why we named it Ambiente. It's the environment that you're coming here to see. And so trying to keep everything as natural as possible. It's the Sedona environment we love.